sci-fi wise, let's close out with some fun stuff here. So
Okay.
give me like if you got one or two of like your favorite sci-fi movies or shows or whatever it might be. What are they?
Oh, that's a great question. Um, the first one's Westworld.
Ooh,
Has to be Westworld. There's lots of kind of themes within Westworld that resemble, the 3D printing, but 3D printing of people and robots, which is a very kind of different world. But definitely a huge fan of advanced manufacturing. Obviously, the Westworld comics, like applications are a little different. But I think Westworld really represents a lot of the themes, both in intelligence, in advanced manufacturing, and data collection and privacy, that are highly relevant and I'm passionate about. So Westworld was a huge I don't want to say inspiration because we're not doing anything modeled after Westworld, but something that highlights a lot of areas that I'm passionate about
mm,
there and that advanced manufacturing side. Um, oh gosh, as far as the second question there, um, it's probably I'm a big Star Trek fan as
ooh.
well. I know I have a bunch of Star Wars stuff behind me today,
It's okay.
but
You can
big,
mix the two. That's okay with us.
yeah.
That's fine.
I'm a little bit of both, but definitely lean a little bit more kind of Star Trek
Mm,
there. And I'm just a huge fan of that level of kind of exploration and
mm,
advancement and kind of pushing the limits of human potential
yeah.
there in what humans can do. I don't know if it'll, the first kind of interplanetary, inner star or inner, I'm blanking on the word there, kind of like
Like Interstellar.
interstellar, thank you.
Yeah.
Interstellar travel will resemble what you see in Star Trek.
Right.
But that level of, kind of technology and technology used for good there.
Right.
I like the themes as far as kind of the ethical and moral dilemmas that are tied in with the Star Trek themes and the Prime Directive and
Mm-hmm.
areas there as far as what is technology used for and how is it applied. I think is highly relevant even for the ecosystem here on Earth today.
Totally. Favorite captain?
Oh, Picard.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're together on that one. Yeah,
Okay,
same
good.
here. There's gonna be a lot of people upset at us, but that's okay.
It's okay.
Um, uh,